Hello, grade 12s. How are you today? This is P Kamala, tutor educator, mathematics grades 8 to 12. Yes, today I want to take you through video 1 for grade 12 mathematics 2025. Okay. Now, this is the first topic for term 1 and also video 1. So we're doing a series of videos. You can follow us on YouTube. Yes, to get the upcoming videos. So we're starting topic 1 and video 1. That's called the sequences and series. Okay, and we're starting with the quadratic number pattern, and this is video 1. Okay, now this is chapter 1 of sequence and series, and revision from grade 11 includes the following. So now in a quadratic number pattern, you must note that the first term is given by a plus b plus c, and then the first of the first differences, 3a plus b, is given by 3a plus b, and then the second difference given by 2a. Then general term is tn equals to an squared plus bn plus c. Now, to understand this one here, consider a quadratic number pattern like in this form here, where we have T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Okay. Now, if I subtract and I say T2 minus T1, I get what we call as our D1 here. Then I continue by saying T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3 like this up to here. Now, if I go ahead and subtract this one minus this, then I get my D2. Then this one minus this, I get my D2 again. So D2 is a constant. So you see this D2, it can be a number 2, 3, 4, or even a fraction, as long as it's a constant. Are together? So from our information here on the first page, we have seen that for any given quadratic number pattern given by Tn, okay, by Tn equals to an squared as our general formula, plus bn, and then plus c. If you want to get your values of a, b, and c, this is what we do. The first that we said 2a equals to d2 from our first equation, equation 1, 2a equals to d2, and then you substitute, okay, in equation 1, then you get your a, because d2 is a number, divided by 2 to get your a, which a appears here, okay. Then to get your b, now use this d1 here by using 3a plus b, 3a plus b, 3a plus b to give us our d1. Now d1 is what you see here. So this is d1 given by t2 minus t1 is what we call as d1 here. So that's given by what? By 3a plus b. Note that if you're solving this, it's important to note the order. Always begin from 2a equals to d2, then get your a, and then now put your a here in equation 2 to get your b, okay? All together, I'm saying that after getting your a from here, okay, then you come back and put it here. When you put it here, you're going to get your b, because now you know the d2 and the d1, and you know the a, so you can get your b. So when you're done with that, now to get your c, so this one, this b, yes, we see how we get it. Now to get our c, now you're going to use this add-on which says that that's equation 3. It says a plus b plus c equals to t1. So this t1 is all the first term here. So this is given by a plus b plus c to give us our t1. So again, because you have the a and the b from here, now go to equation 3 and get your c. Why? Because you know the a, you know the b, now you can find the c. Are we together? After getting your a, b, and c, then you come back and substitute here to get what we call as the general term for the quadratic number pattern. Hope we are together for now. Just look at examples here. Now, so this formula must put them in your head. When you talk about first term, here we mean T1. So T1 equals to A plus B plus C. Then the first differences is 3a, which means you're getting to D1, okay? And then here, this is our D2, which we call the second difference, okay? So please know these formulas in your head because they don't come on the formula sheet, but they come in your head as you practice, and then you can continue to solve your questions regarding quadratic number patterns. Okay, let us apply them right now. Example 1. They said that consider the quadratic number pattern 3, 11, 33. Determine the formula of the general term Tn. So we're looking for Tn. Don't forget that our Tn, okay, is given by what? By an squared plus bn, and then plus c. Okay. Now we are using 3. Okay, we're using 3, and then 11, and then 21, and then 33. Okay, and so on. So now to get our a, b, and c, like you have seen before, you need to first get your first difference here. Okay, so what is 11 minus 3? 11 minus 3, we get 8. Okay, what about 21 minus 11? We get 10. Okay, what about 33 minus 21? We get what? We get 12. Okay, now don't stop here. Go ahead to get your D2. Okay, now this 10 minus 80, we get 2. 12 minus 10, we also get 2. Now the moment you get them like it, now you can say this is our D2. Okay, this is D2 here. This is our D1. Okay, and this is our T1. Then now, remember the formulas I told you about, né? So I'm going to say that 2a equals to D2. But what is our D2 from here? It is 2. So I'm going to say that my 2a equals to 2. So divided by 2, which gives our a as what? 2 over 2, it gives us 1. So after getting our a as 1, please don't forget this other formula. We said 3a plus b. We're going to say 3a plus b equals to d1. Okay. But what is our d1? Our d1 here, it is 8. So, but because we know the a, we're going to say 3 multiplied by a, which is 1, then plus b to give us our d1. Now d1 is 8 in this case. So what is 8 minus 3? What is 8 minus 3? So 8 minus 3 gives us b as what? As 5. After getting 5, then now we're going to do what? We're going to find our c by using a plus b plus c equals to T1. Okay. Now because we have the a and also we have our b, we just say here we're going to have 1 plus what? Plus b, which is 5. Okay. Then plus c. Now our T1 is from the sequence, okay, from the pattern. Sorry, so our T1 is this 3 here, so equals to 3. So 1 plus 5 is 6. So our c equals to 3 minus 6, which gives us what? Which gives us c as negative 3. So our Tn equals to an squared, but our a is what? Our a is 1, which is that 1n squared. Our b is 5n, okay, and then our c minus 3. So that's how we find out over here. Hope we are together. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact us on this number 0785 222041. Okay, now another example here, part B, they say calculate the value of T12. After getting our number pattern, to find the T12 is very simple. What do we do to get our T12? Let's take it out. So, because we have our Tn, here in our part B, because we have our Tn as what? As n squared plus 5n and then minus 3, So because they said find the T12, let's check it again. They said that value of T12, né? So our n is 12 because they're saying it T12. So this is T12, which means where there is n, we are putting it 12. We're gonna say now, open bracket 12, okay, squared, then plus 5 times 12, 5 times 12 here, and then minus 3. Okay, so here, now what do you get here? Finally, this is going to be 144 plus 60. Okay, this is 60 here, and then minus 3. So which answer do we get here? Anybody with a calculator? Calculators here, what do we get? Let's check it out here. So 144 plus 60 minus 3. It gives me 201 here. So here I get 201. That's our part B. 201. Hope we are together. Then part C, let's check the question. What does it say? Part C says that which term in this pattern is equal to 497? Which term equals to 497? So which term is 497? So that's part C. Now in that particular case, in this case, we know our Tn equals to 497, okay? But we're looking for the value of n. So what we do, we know the Tn already, the expression, which is n squared. We're gonna say our n squared, okay, plus 5n, then minus 3, okay, equals to 497. So we're going to form the quadratic key and then solve. Okay, let's proceed here. So if you check what we have here, now you're going to say this is going to be n squared. It's going to be n squared now, n squared plus 5n, okay, plus 5n minus 3, then minus 497 equals to 0. So which gives us n squared, okay, plus 5n minus what? Minus 500. Minus what? Minus 500. So minus 500 here, so equals to 0. Now here, if you can get the factors from your head, it's good. But if you can't, then you can use the quadratic formula. So what do you prefer here? So you're going to say here that our n, from here, our a is what? This is our a is 1, so our a is 1, our b is 5, positive, okay, and our c is negative what? Negative 500, so the formula says that our n equals to minus b plus or minus square root of what? B squared minus 4ac, okay, then divided by 2a, okay, matter what is our a? What is our b? So our b with it is going to be minus 5 here, okay, plus or minus square root of, we're going to say 5 squared here, okay, minus 4, our a is 1, and ours is negative 500, okay. Alright, then we're going to get our calculator to find out. So divide by 2a, but our a is what? Our a is 1, so let's get our calc here and see what to do. Alright, so in this case, we're going to say minus 5, okay, then plus, begin with the positive plus square root, b squared, which is 5 squared here, okay, then minus 4ac, our a is 1, what about our c? Our c is negative 500, so then close the brackets here, divide by 2a, 2 multiplied by 1, which makes it 2, then get your first answer here. So our first answer is n equals to 20. As you can see it here, n equals to 20, so We can say n equals to 20. Okay. What about when we use a negative value? Let's check it now with the minus. We check it with the minus now. We see that in this case, put a minus here now. It gives us negative 25. So now we have negative 25 here, negative 25, but we know that our n cannot be negative. Okay, it can't be a negative because it must be what? A natural number. So that in this particular case, our T20, therefore, our T20 is the number which is 497 in our quadratic pattern. Hope we are together. Let us proceed. Next question, next example. Hope guys we are together. This one ends here. Now next here, what do we have? Also understand that in a quadratic number pattern, the second difference is constant, the first difference form a linear number pattern. So for that matter, the fact that a quadratic number pattern has a constant second difference can be used to build equations to solve unknown terms. Like an example to here, they can say if negative 2, x, 80, 19, y is a quadratic number pattern, determine the values of x and y. So here they have told us that this is quadratic number pattern, okay? So we need x and y values. So now because we know that we must be having a constant second difference, what do? We're going to say this, we have negative 2 here. Are we together? Then we have x here. Then we have what? We have 8. Then we have the 19. Okay. Then we have the y here as well. So what do? We know it's going to be x minus 2. X minus 2, making it x plus 2. What about here? 8 minus x. Okay. 8 minus x. What about here? 19 minus 8, which gives us 11. Okay. What about here? Y minus 19. Okay. Then because they say it is quadratic number pattern, we must have a constant second difference. So we're going to say this bracket 8 minus x minus, we're going to say here 8, okay, minus x, then minus what? Minus x plus 2. Minus x plus 2 is completed here. It gives us 80 minus x, okay, then minus x again, and then minus 2. So what is 8 minus 2? It gives us what? It gives us 6. Then minus x gives us minus 2x, okay. Then also I'm going to subtract now 11 minus this now, okay. 11 minus what? 11 minus 8 minus x, okay. This is 11 minus 8 minus x. Don't forget the brackets here, guys. Okay, so we're going to have 11 minus 80 plus x, okay. So what's 11 minus 8? We know it gives us what? It gives us 3. So we're going to have 3 plus x, okay. Then don't forget that in this particular case, after getting our this no, because this is second difference, must be the same. In other words, we talked about d2. So the d2 here is 3 plus x. The same d2 also is 6 minus 2x. So this d2 must be equal. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to equate the 2. Okay. I'm going to equate the 2 here. So once I equate, I'm going to have I'm going to say 6 minus what? 6 minus 2x equals to 3 plus x. 3 plus x. I can get my x now. This is 6 here. So the negative 2x becomes positive now. What about the 3? Becomes negative. So I'm going to say 6 minus 3 equals to x plus 2x. Ne? X plus 2x here, so which gives us 3 equals to 3x here. So divide by 3, which gives us x equals to 1. But also need to find y. So I'm gonna, after getting that x there, now I can come back here to say also the 19 minus y minus 19 minus 11. Ne? I say y minus 19 minus 11. That's my other second difference. Ne? This one here is also d2. So I'm going to say here it's going to be what is minus 19 minus 11? It gives me minus 30. Minus what? Minus 30. Yeah, so it's going to be y minus 30. Y minus 30. But here, because I know my x as 1, what is 1 plus 3? It is 4. Okay. What about here? 2 times 1, 2. 6 minus 2 also 4. So you see I've got 4, which means this must be equal to 4. I'm going to say y minus 30 equals to 4. Okay. So my y equals to 34. Okay. Y equals to 34. All right. That's how you find the variables x and y in such questions. Hope we are together. Let us check it out now. Anything else to be done here? Nothing else, but we have an exercise to do here. So this exercise one here, please do it right now. Then if you're in our extra classes, don't forget to join us tonight online so we can do the solutions together. Okay, do them in your book, please. We're going to mark them together. And we are doing all the questions. So from here, I can say that thank you so much for watching. Catch you again in our next video. We have extra classes. You can come to the center or you can attend online. Bye bye. Shalom.